Hey y'all, today let's check out some inexpensive but still incredibly popular dresses from Amazon on an average middle-aged, mid-sized woman. Spring is a little late to my area this year, but I am already thinking ahead to my late spring and summer capsule wardrobe. 2 years ago, I wanted to wear shorts all spring and summer long, just about every single day. And then last year, I wasn't even really interested in shorts. I wanted to wear skirts and tops, separates, all spring and summer. But this year, I'm really drawn to dresses. So I decided to order a few of the most popular dresses I found on Amazon, because it's just so easy to order from Amazon, and bring them in and see how I liked them. And today I'm trying them all on to see if some of these dresses might be making their way into my late spring and summer capsule wardrobe. Now, I know myself really, really well. And in knowing myself, I understand that I can be really finicky about what I want to wear. So I don't like to spend too much money on any piece that I'm not absolutely certain that I'm going to just love long term. Because investing a lot of money in pieces that I don't think I'm going to love long term would be a complete waste of my clothing budget. And that makes these more budget-friendly options from Amazon a great choice for me. I can wear them and love them as much as I want in the short term, and then when I'm done with them, I can pass them on to somebody who'll love them next. So let's get started. This first dress is a navy and white t-shirt dress. It's really comfortable to wear. It does have pockets, and it has this integrated tie thing going on. You could tie just in the front, or that you could tie just in the back, or they're long enough that you could even wrap them around, tie in the front and back as well. So in this straight, simple t-shirt type dress, you do get the opportunity for some great waist definition. And that's something I always appreciate. Defining my waist helps me feel more comfortable and confident in my look. And so I always appreciate a piece that lets me define my waist. And of course it has pockets, and I love a dress with pockets, but pockets are not a deal breaker for me. I just happen to really appreciate them when they are there. But for some reason, I'm not loving this dress on me. It is a comfortable dress. I'm just not feeling my best in it. A no for me. Who does a YouTube video where they're showing Amazon dresses, and I am going to link to all these dresses, and I don't feel myself in this dress. So for whatever reason's going on in here, and honestly I'm not even quite sure what the reason is, it's just this one's not going to work for me. I'm not going to reach for it, so I'm not going to be keeping this one. Let's get to the next dress. Okay, now this next dress, I'm loving this dress. The dress is in a beautiful navy blue. It's a midi length. It's got a fitted bodice, but a tiered A-line flared skirt with pockets. So the construction of the dress naturally defines my waist, and that always helps me to feel a little bit more confident in my look, because I like the look of a defined waist on myself. It's got a cute fluttery sleeve detail. It's super comfortable. It's got a good quality weight to it, and I can really see myself reaching for this one over and over again all summer long, because this dress is just so comfortable to wear, and I feel like I look good in it. Now, if I felt like I needed to even further define my waist, if I just wanted to change the look of the dress just a little bit, because that's the thing about dresses, you can change up the look of them a little bit, but not really too much without layering on a lot of other pieces. And for me, summer dresses need to be lightweight, they need to be cool, because the area I live in is incredibly hot and incredibly humid all summer long. So I don't like to wear a lot of layers in the summertime, even my beloved linen, because it's just too hot. So if I was feeling like I wanted to change up the look of the dress just a little bit, I could simply add a belt to it like you see here, and it does define my waist a little bit more than the construction of the dress does alone. But I will tell you, I am absolutely keeping this dress because I'm loving wearing this one. Let's get to the next dress. Okay, this next dress is a really pretty one. It's a little bit brighter blue. It's a great lightweight flowy material, but not too thin. And it's just a simple wrap dress. But this dress has a snap that is placed perfectly where the two pieces cross at the bust line, so that you don't end up with any unfortunate wardrobe malfunction. I don't know about y'all, and I am not judging, but for me personally, I am not trying to show everything to everybody. So I really appreciate the little snap at the great spot on my bust that keeps everything from showing. Now, one of the things I don't like about this dress is that it does not have pockets. But let's be real, I carry a purse every single day when I leave the house, so I don't have to have a pocket in a dress. Pockets on a dress are a great luxury. I love having pockets on a dress, but it's not a deal breaker for me. It's got a great flutter sleeve detail. The flutter ruffle detail that you see in the sleeves is repeated all the way around the length of the skirt in the wrap. And that's a really great detail that makes this dress just a little bit prettier and something I can really appreciate. Now, as much as I am enjoying this dress, I gotta tell you, I'm not gonna keep it. That's right, I won't be keeping this dress. And it's because the bodice part of the dress is just slightly too long for me. And what that means is that this tie on the dress, where it comes together, where the two pieces come together to wrap around, doesn't hit me at my natural waistline. If it's one of these simple wrap style dresses, I can pull it up to hit at my natural waistline, but when I do that, I get this weird thing right here. So while this dress is really pretty and really comfortable, and it's got some great design details that make it a great option for a lot of people, it just doesn't quite fit my body the way I'd like it to. So for me, this dress is a no. This one's going back. Okay, this next dress is quite a bit outside my comfort zone. I love the cut and style of this dress, but I don't have anything in these colors. Almost all of my wardrobe is made up of very neutral tone pieces, and there is absolutely nothing neutral about this dress at all. However, I like it. I really like it. It is in the colors that I would often choose as my pops of color for late spring and all summer long in my accessories. So I decided to step out of my comfort zone just a little bit and choose something that I really enjoy in accessory colors, but in a much bolder piece, a piece of clothing. And this is how that turned out for me. I really like this dress. It is well made of a comfortable jersey material, and it has pockets. Now obviously this dress is not bra strap friendly. I did try it on with one of my racer back bras, and you could still see the strap, like it just, there's just nothing there to hide a bra strap. So a racer back bra was not even an option for me. What I would consider with this dress would be maybe a lace bralette that you could just see a little bit of the lace with in a color that coordinated with the dress. I opted for the sticky bra today because it's just super simple to wear. Now this dress did come with this coordinating tie to be wrapped around the waist, and I just didn't care for the coordinating tie. I felt like the belt gave me more waist definition, and my current middle-aged, mid-sized self prefers a little bit more waist definition. I just like the way it looks on me. I just feel more comfortable and more confident with a little bit more waist definition, so I added the simple leather obi belt that I will also link down below if you want to check that out. But I really am kind of surprised with this dress being so far outside my comfort zone. I'm going to keep it, and I think I'm going to enjoy wearing it often. Now this particular dress, even though these colors are bright and they're, you know, a little loud, it is easy to tone this down with a neutral piece that I already have in my closet. Let me show you. If I were to just add my navy linen blazer over it, adding this easy linen navy blue blazer really tones down the volume that these colors speak. And so this would be a super simple addition to this dress if I wanted to wear it, but I didn't want to feel as loud as these colors can be if they speak on their own. So surprisingly enough, I am keeping this dress. When I opened this one up and I saw these colors, I thought there's no way. I wanted to step outside my comfort zone to see if I could push myself a little bit in feeling comfortable and confident in something that is a bit more out of character for me. And I thought there was no way I was keeping it. Yeah, when I opened this dress up and I saw this package laying on my kitchen island, I was like, oh no way, no way. But now that I have it on, I am happy to say that I am keeping this dress and I am going to enjoy wearing it. What do you think? Drop down into the comments and let me know what you think. Are there any times of year where you might step outside your comfort zone just a little bit and wear colors that you wouldn't normally wear? Because apparently for me, that time of year, this year, is going to be summer. I'd love to hear what that time of year might be for you. I've got one more dress. Let's get to it. Okay, y'all, this last dress feels really special. I would never guess in putting on this dress that it's just an inexpensive dress from Amazon. It is very well made, it is super comfortable, and you just feel special in it. Like, I am loving this dress. There are no pockets, but once again, I don't care because I will be carrying a purse. I really like the look of this red Teddy Blake purse with this. It just feels really special. Like, this feels like a great date night dress with my husband. In fact, when my husband sees me in this dress, maybe he's gonna wanna take me on a date. Now this dress is absolutely not bra friendly at all. Like, it's, I don't know if you can see, I'm gonna try to show you. It's even split in the back here, so even a strapless bra is not gonna work on this dress because you'd be able to see the back of that when, you know, as you move around, because the dress does have that split in it. But it's just absolutely beautiful, and I am excited to add this one to my collection. Now this dress also came with a matching tie for the waist to help to define the waist, but again, I'm just not into the matching ties. I feel like adding an actual belt does so much more to elevate your look. And so that's something I always do. I can't ever think of an instance where I have used the tie that comes with a dress. I have used the tie before, like I might wrap it around the brim of my hat, or maybe wrap it around a purse strap if I'm trying to match my purse to my dress a little bit more, but I've never used a waist tie from a dress around my waist. It's just not my thing. I feel like an actual belt elevates the look of the dress, and that's just something I prefer. Now, something you might notice about the dress is that it is the shortest of the dresses that I have tried today. And I do have a few short dresses in my wardrobe, and I'm happily adding another one. In a video I did just a few weeks ago about my spring capsule wardrobe, I was told a couple of different times, both here on YouTube and several times in DMs on Instagram, that I'm too old to be wearing shorter shorts or shorter dresses. It's just not a flattering look on me. I need to wear longer shorts, longer skirts, longer dresses. And I hear you, and you may be absolutely right, but let me tell you this. I am completely confident and comfortable in showing my legs because there is nothing wrong with my legs. And you know what else? There's nothing wrong with your legs either. These legs have carried me around the world for more than 50 years. These legs have walked my newborn babies in the middle of the night when they couldn't sleep. These legs have taken long walks with dogs that I absolutely love. These legs walked me down the aisle to promise to be very best friend I could ever be to the absolute love of my life, my most favorite person on the planet. So there is nothing wrong with these legs. Now, I do understand some people don't want to see them. Some people do not want to see a woman over 50 with legs exposed. And I have one word of advice for you if that's you or somebody you know. Don't look. Just simply don't look. If the look of middle-aged, a little bit pudgy legs offends you, don't put yourself through that. Do not put yourself through that. Just don't look at them. That's all you have to do. Just look away. It'll be fine. We can still be friends. And I just want you to understand that there's nothing wrong with your legs as well. I don't care how old you are or how young you are. I don't care what size you are. I don't care about any of that stuff. Your legs are carrying you through with the life you're choosing to lead every single day. Be grateful for them. Be grateful for what they can do for you and enjoy it because you deserve it just like I deserve it. All right, that's it. I'm gonna get off my little soapbox about my legs and go back to absolutely loving this dress. So as you can see from all the dresses that I tried on today, that they all fit very well into the color scheme that I already have working in my wardrobe, even the one in all the bright loud colors. I've chosen these pieces with purpose, to be able to mix them and match them within my wardrobe as much as possible. Dresses are a little bit harder to mix and match, so I wanted to make sure I chose pieces that I could mix and match as much as is possible because I am all about using what I've got to its greatest potential. I am not about buying all new everything, every season, every year, year after year. That's not me. I am moving towards a much more mindful approach to my wardrobe and to my shopping habits overall. And each of these dresses fits that bill for me perfectly. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for a few minutes today and trying on all these dresses. You know, I'm keeping 3 out of the 5, and I feel like that's a big win for me because even if I was out trying on 5 dresses in a brick and mortar store, I probably wouldn't find 3 that I would want to keep. So that's a reason I really appreciate the convenience that comes with shopping on Amazon, because I can try it on in my own home and then return whatever doesn't work. Now, all of these dresses and the belts that I've worn with them today will be linked down below, even the ones I'm not keeping, because just because they don't look great on me doesn't mean they won't look great on you. Before you go, consider subscribing to the channel if you want to, if you're interested in subscribing. If you don't want to subscribe, don't worry about it. No harm, no foul. You have an open invitation to come back and hang out anytime you want, because I will be here. I will be right here in this room or, you know, out in the world somewhere making videos. So until I see you in that next video, bye y'all.